Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Razin bin Nasrul, nama mesej A21A2671. I will start my presentation about my internship from 17 March to 4 July 2025. I'm currently undergoing my internship at APT Life Insurance Berhad under the Finance Reporting Department. The company is located at Level 24, Menara 1 Centrum, Jalan Tun Sambatan, Kuala Lumpur. I will continue the presentation with the background of the industry. First and foremost is the type of the industry that the company is involved. APT Life operates within the financial services industry, specifically focusing on life insurance and family takaful, which is Islamic insurance. It is classified under the life and health insurance sub-industry within the broader insurance industry group. Next is background of the company. This company originally incorporated as APT Life Insurance Berhad on 17 September 1973, then renamed to APT Life Insurance Berhad following a strategic partnership formed on 30 April 2014 between AMMB Holding Berhad, which is Ambing Group, and MetLife International Holdings. This company is a joint venture where MetLife holds 50% plus one share in MetLife Insurance and 50% less one share in MetLife Takaful. There are many departments that involved in this company, which is finance, actuarial, compliance, risk management, operations, and many more. The role of finance departments is to manage the company's financial planning, reporting, and budgeting activities. Actuarial department analyzes statistical data to assess risk and determine pricing for insurance product. Compliance department ensures adherence to regulatory requirements and internal policies. Risk management identifies, assesses, and mitigates risks that could impact the company. Next is the company's operating activities. First and foremost is product offerings. This company provides a comprehensive range of life insurance and wealth protection solutions, including family, health, future planning, and group life insurance products. Secondly is distribution channels. This company utilizes nearly 200 AmBank and MLife branch offices nationwide, along with a robust network of authorized life insurance agents to distribute product. Furthermore, strategic partnership. This company engages in collaborations to enhance service offerings and reach, such as the exclusive 20-year agreement to sell insurance and takaful products through AmBank and Islamic Bank. Next, the departments involved. Firstly is market position. As of March 2015, this company was ranked 10 among 14 life insurers in Malaysia, with ambitions to climb higher. Next is economic factors. This company navigates economic challenges and opportunities within Malaysia and the broader Southeast Asian region. During my internship, I was exposed to a variety of tasks and responsibilities related to corporate finance reporting processes. First and foremost, I learned about the finance reporting process. I was participated in monthly, quarterly, and annual financial closing processes, including preparation of internal financial reports, assisted in the preparation and submissions of regulatory reports to Bank Negara Malaysia, which is international investment positions, gain understanding of insurance accounting principles, including premium income recognition, policyholder liabilities, and reinsurance accounting, exposed to the Malaysian Financial Reporting Standards MFRS 4 and 17, assist with financial statements, general ledger tasks such as journal entries, trial balance review, and account reconciliations. Secondly, document management. During my internship, I've learned about documentation management. I've involved in the preparations of high-level board meeting documentation, including memos for senior executives such as Chief Executive of Finance. Ensure timely and accurate printing, organizing, and compiling of confidential and board-level materials. I've learned how to manage multiple versions of financial documents to ensure accuracy and consistency, Practice careful version tracking in high-pressure environment with tight deadlines. Next, audit process. During my internship, I was given the opportunity to closely observe and participate in the external audit process. I've assisted in reviewing and updating financial statements based on frequent auditor feedback, exposed to the final stage of the external audit process, gain insights into the audit workflow from initial queries to final approval for board submission. I also developed an appreciation for accuracy, compliance, and transparency in financial reporting. Throughout my internship, I contributed to various tasks and projects that supported the finance reporting team's daily operations. First and foremost, I was contributed in supporting financial reporting process. I assist in preparation of daily, monthly, quarterly, and annual financial statements. I have assigned to perform daily reconciliation tasks, ensuring accuracy of transactions, and then compile monthly reconciliation reports at the end of each month and submit to the head of departments to review and approval. For quarterly, I've assigned to do the international investment position submissions to Bank Negara Malaysia, which I was the only one know the workflow of this working. Next, I was contributed in supported audit preparations, which is assisting with documentation and retrieval of financial records for internal or external audits. I helped the team by preparing and finding financial documents needed for internal or external audits. This made it easier for auditors to check the company's financial records and help the audit process run smoothly. For example, I have prepared a memorandum based on the engagement letter between APT4098 and Ernst & Young as the auditor. Furthermore, I was contributed in data entry and verification. I've accurately assist in entered financial data into the spreadsheet of financial systems used by the company. For example, I was assist in preparing the general ledger of January 2024 to May 2025 and compile into one Excel. I also assist in preparing the data about several policyholders that have problem in system to make the GL posting. During my time at APT4098 Insurance Berhad, I noticed some opportunities where processes could be further improved for better productivity and support. First and foremost, provide clear and detailed instructions. They need to clearly explain what the task is about, when it should be completed, and what the expected outcome is. This will help interns understand their responsibilities better, reduce confusion, and improve the quality of their work. There also should be a short briefing session. These sessions allows interns to ask questions and get a better understanding of the task. It also helps build better communications and making the work process more efficient and less stressful. Secondly, improve leaderships in the workplace. It's important to provide regular leadership training and development programs. With the right training, leaders can improve their skills, become more confident, and manage their teams more effectively. At the same time, the company should promote a culture of transparency and open communication. When people feel safe to speak up and share feedback, leadership can continue to grow and improve. This leads to happier employees and better results for the company. Furthermore, strengthening the team for long-term success. This company should keep experienced staff longer by offering better benefits, promotions, or training programs to help them grow in the company. Create a clear system to store important knowledge, such as guides, procedures, and training materials. This helps new staff and interns understand their tasks even if no one is there to explain. While executing my responsibility, I faced certain challenges that tested my adaptability and problem-solving skills. The first challenge that I faced is communication barriers. Every time I got tasks, the instructions was lack of clarity. For instance, some emails contain vague phrases such as FYA, or "Please assist this" without sufficient context or explanations. Additionally, certain messages were poorly written with spelling or grammatical errors, which further contributed to confusion. So, I asked my manager or supervisor for more details about the tasks that were given. They will then explain things more clearly and in a simple way, which helped me understand the task better and complete it more easily. Secondly, the challenges that I faced was poor leadership. It affects both employees and the company's overall productivity. When leaders don't give enough support or clear guidance, it can cause confusion and slow down work. One situation I experienced was when my complete tasks were never reviewed, even after I submit to her for checking. Sometimes I send work by email, but later got questions about it because the email was never opened or checked. So, what I did was meet with the person directly to inform her about the task I had completed. I also created a daily task list starting from my first day as intern, which I update every day. This way, her could always see the progress and updates of my work. Furthermore, shortage of experienced staff. This made it harder for interns and new staff to get proper guidance or support, especially when doing complex tasks. Sometimes, we were given assignments without clear instructions or supervision. This caused delays and increased the chance of making mistakes. Through this internship, I gained new knowledge and insights that complement my studies and prepared me for future career challenges. First and foremost, the value that I get is developing a strong work ethic and professional attitude. Working in structured and fast-paced finance department helped me understand the importance of being detail-oriented, meeting deadlines, and maintaining accuracy in every task. I also learned to take initiative, seek clarification when needed, and stay committed to completing tasks even when facing challenges such as unclear instructions or tight deadlines. Secondly, enhance communication and interpersonal skills. During the internships, I learned how to communicate professionally with team members and other departments. I also improved in asking questions clearly, writing emails, and working together to solve problems. Next, the value that I get is exposure to real-world financial reporting processes. I gained hands-on experience with actual financial reports, reconciliations, and audit tasks. This helped me understand how financial reporting works in a real company beyond what I learned in class.